Welcome to Clinixtalks, where real health meets healthy people, a place where knowledge becomes nurture and every heartbeat matters. Every morning gives you a choice. You can either hit snooze and let cholesterol silently build up in your arteries, or you can rise and take charge of your health before the world even wakes up. High cholesterol doesn't always show symptoms. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't warn. It just hides inside your blood vessels, slowly blocking the flow of life itself. And the truth is, no magic pill can replace the power of consistent movement. Your body doesn't need a gym membership to heal itself. All it needs is your commitment, your breath, and your willingness to start. So today on Clinixtalks, we'll uncover 5 powerful morning workouts that naturally lower your cholesterol, clean your arteries, and strengthen your heart. Stay till the end, because the last one is the simplest yet most overlooked exercise for cardiovascular health. 1. Brisk walking. It's not just walking. It's your heart's gentle wake-up call. A 30-minute brisk walk every morning increases HDL, the good cholesterol, and reduces LDL, the bad one. It improves blood circulation, burns stored fat, and keeps your arteries flexible. If you can walk fast enough to make your heart beat a little quicker, but still hold a conversation, you're doing it right. 2. Morning jog or light running. When you jog, your heart pumps stronger and your body burns through triglycerides like fuel. Jogging lowers total cholesterol while strengthening your cardiovascular endurance. It's also one of the best ways to balance hormones, manage stress, and boost oxygen flow. Start slow, stay consistent, and watch how every stride clears your mind and your arteries. 3. Cycling. You don't need a fancy bike or a racetrack. Just a few minutes of cycling each morning can drastically reduce LDL levels and improve blood lipid balance. Cycling engages your lower body muscles, improves insulin sensitivity, and helps maintain a healthy weight, all of which are key for lowering cholesterol naturally. Plus, it releases endorphins that keep you energized and focused all day. 4. Yoga and stretching. Cholesterol isn't just about diet, it's also about stress. Morning yoga helps balance your hormones, reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, and enhance blood flow throughout your system. Simple poses like the cobra, bridge, and downward dog help open your chest, stimulate heart function, and calm the nervous system. You're not just lowering cholesterol, you're teaching your body to breathe and your heart to rest easy. 5. Stair climbing or step-ups. Don't underestimate the power of stairs. Climbing stairs engages multiple muscle groups and burns more calories in less time than most workouts. It improves HDL cholesterol and reduces the buildup of fatty deposits in the arteries. Just 10 minutes of stair climbing in the morning strengthens your heart and lungs while keeping your cholesterol in check. Your heart is not asking for perfection. It's asking for consistency. You don't have to run marathons or spend hours in the gym. Start small. Walk, stretch, move. Let your morning become a message of love to your own body. Because every drop of sweat you shed today becomes a shield against tomorrow's heart disease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Clinixtalks. Turn on your notifications because every week, we bring you science-backed tips to help you live longer, stronger, and healthier. This is your reminder that prevention is the real power, and the best time to start is always now.